Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing my wash day routine, and this is going to be the quarantine edition, so stay tuned. So we're going to jump into today's video. If you are new here, make sure you thumbs up and subscribe to this video because I'm going to be giving you guys a ton of tips. So I am 100% natural, and I just took my hair out of a protective style. I had a sew-in and it's time for me to wash my hair. So the first thing I'm going to be applying is my homemade aloe vera. I do have a video on this, so if you would like to see the video on how I make my aloe vera, you can click the video on your screen, or you can click the link in the description box. So the way that I like to use my aloe vera, or you're going to need a plastic cap as well, but I keep my aloe in the refrigerator, and it's very refreshing when I spray it on my hair and on my scalp, especially when I have in protective styles. So I'm going to be spraying this directly onto my scalp. It's going to help alleviate the itching. It's also going to help remove a lot of the buildup of dirt and bacteria that I want to remove when I wash my hair. Aloe vera gel is also great for when you are detangling your hair. So you're going to notice I'm going to spray it on my roots, and then I'm going to run it through my entire head. I also like to focus on my hairline, or all of the areas that I had out during my protective style. It feels so soothing on my hair because, again, it was in the refrigerator and it is quite cold. Now, one of the tips that I want to give you guys in today's video is that when I am doing my wash day routine, my hair is always in some form of a section. This is because my hair is 100% natural and my hair is curly, and it helps to not only detangle my hair, but it makes everything a lot easier and manageable. So I'm going to take all of the aloe vera gel and I'm going to put it in my hair, run it through, and I'm going to put a plastic cap on. This is again going to help hydrate my hair, soothe my scalp, and it's also great to detangle. So this is going to sit on my hair for 20 minutes. And I am going to get an additional plastic cap because, as you guys can see, the aloe vera gel was starting to run, and I have quite a bit of hair, so sometimes, depending on the size of my cap, it's not large enough. Next, we're going to go into my secret weapon. This is my homemade rice water. If you guys would like to see how I made this rice water, you can click the video on your screen. I will also have it linked in the description box. This rice water was over a month old, and when I tell you guys this stuff had my hair feeling amazing, I cannot stress this enough. Rice water has done amazing for my hair. So if you guys want to see that video, I'll have those listed in the description box. But let me show you how I apply. So remember, the aloe vera gel is still in my hair, but I'm going to take the rice water and I'm going to make small sections, and you're going to see me spray it directly on my hair and my roots, and I'm going to run it through with my fingers. Again, I'm doing this to not only detangle my hair, but as a pre-treatment. This is going to help to define my curls, help me to remove the excess hair that has shed during my protective style, and it also is giving me a layer of protein and protection. Now, depending on how thick or coarse your hair is, I would definitely advise you to take your time with this section because you want to make sure that the rice water thoroughly saturates all of your hair. I'm then going to apply my plastic cap to that section of my head, and then I'm going to complete this process on the opposite side. Again, please make sure you're taking small subsections when you're doing this. Take your time, and then you're going to apply your plastic cap. Now remember, my hair was in a protective style that required heat. So I'm going to take the remainder of my rice water and I'm going to concentrate in those areas that were left out. So again, that is my hairline, and that was also the section that I used for my leave out. So I'm going to let this rice water sit for a half an hour, and then we're going to remove it in the shower. Once we hit the shower, I want you guys to really be mindful of how you are washing your hair, because this is where, unfortunately, a lot of people get it wrong. Make sure you thoroughly wash out your products. This is one of the reasons why a lot of people say that their hair is still tangled when they wash their hair. A lot of times people say that their hair feels dry after they wash their hair, and that is typically because of product buildup. So at this point, all of my rice water has been removed and rinsed out. I am now going to go in and shampoo my hair. And if you notice, I still have my hair in sections. The shampoo I'm going to be using today is by Design Essentials. I will have that listed in the description box if you want to read up on it, or if you want to go and find it online. Also, you notice I am stretching my hair as I'm washing. So I'm holding it down and I'm making sure that I rub my scalp to remove the dirt and bacteria. But I'm also holding it in a ponytail so that it doesn't tangle back up. This is great for natural hair, girls. And if you notice, the way that I wash my hair on the ends, I don't twist it, I don't scrunch it, I don't rub it. I just squeeze the product through and I work the product through with my fingers. Again, section your hair off. It makes it so much easier to wash. Now this is where I want you guys to really pay attention. You see all that white stuff? Do not stop rinsing your hair until the water is clear. If it's white, if it's foggy, keep rinsing. This is where a lot of people's wash day routines go wrong, because they are trying to apply conditioner, hair mask, and all of those different products on the hair when there's still shampoo or product buildup. So rinse it until it's clear and then apply the conditioner of your choice. I'm going to be using Design Essentials again. And as you notice, my hair is always in sections. So when you apply your conditioner, make sure you start from the ends and then apply to the roots. Detangle as you go. And because I am in the shower doing this, my conditioner only stayed in for 15 minutes. This is what I like to do when I am in the shower. I just take my hair in two sections and make one large twist. It helps to remove some of the water, and then I can complete my shower. Once I am done, I take my hair out, and because I had it in the twist, it helped to kind of remove some of that excess water. And then I'm going to be applying a leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner is actually from my brand, but it is something I'm still testing out, so it's not available. But my hair growth serum, or my oil that I use, is my growth serum. I will have that listed in the description box. And I use one full pump on each section of my head, and I apply that concentrating on the ends, because the ends of your hair is the hair that is the oldest. So it usually gets the most heat damage. It normally tends to break a little bit easier, so I always focus my oils and products on the ends first. And you guys see that shrinkage is real. So after my hair has been completely blow dried, I really don't do much to it, honestly. Like I said, I am an advocate of being ugly in the house. So I just keep my hair in a ponytail unless I'm going somewhere, and that is basically it. That is my quarantine wash day routine, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon.